welcome to my open house at 712 Genoa Lane in Oxnard, California. This is a wonderful 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home. Come on in and take a look. We have a downstairs guest bathroom with a pedestal sink. The garage is right off of the entryway with a side door out to the backyard. Plenty of storage. We have a great open floor plan in this home. Light and bright. Beautiful kitchen with a great pantry. Lots of cupboard space. Room for a large table, which is what my clients had here. And then a great backyard. Perfect for parties and entertaining. Got a patio and some grassy area. I'll take you guys upstairs. You've got an amazing loft up here. It's very large. Ceiling fan, a window. You could put a door here and make this an extra bedroom or use it as a home office, movie room for the kids. The master bedroom has a large soaking tub and a separate shower. And also a walk-in closet. And here's a second bedroom. The laundry room, which is so convenient, right upstairs where all of the bedrooms are. All the dirty clothes. Your linen closet. And the third bedroom. And the bathroom with double sinks and a nice sized tub and shower. So come on by and have a look.